Tennis is popular, it's great exercise. You can play with friends or be competitive. Tennis is a sport for life. Tennis is fun for all levels. Beginners learn quickly, you'll hit the ball over the net, and then you'll want to play more. Tennis is a great workout. You'll run and jump, and you'll build strength and stamina. Grips are important in tennis. They are the foundation of your game and can significantly impact your performance. A good grip allows you to control the racket with precision and hit the ball accurately. Without the right grip, even the best techniques can fall short. They help you control the racket, providing stability and power in your shots. Whether you're hitting a forehand or a backhand, the grip is crucial for maintaining balance and executing your strokes effectively. Let's start with the forehand grip. This is one of the most commonly used grips in tennis. It's essential for generating topspin and controlling the direction of the ball. Hold the racket like you're shaking hands. This grip, known as the Eastern grip, is simple yet effective. It allows for a natural wrist movement, which is key for powerful and accurate forehand shots. Your index finger should be slightly pointed up. This positioning helps in stabilizing the racket and provides better control over your shots. It also aids in generating the necessary topspin to keep the ball in play. This grip helps you hit the ball with power. The combination of a firm grip and proper wrist action can result in powerful, well-placed shots that can put your opponent on the defensive. Now let's try the backhand grip. Turn your hand counterclockwise. This grip is essential for hitting shots on your non-dominant side and can be a game changer when executed correctly. Your thumb should be on the back of the racket handle. This positioning provides the necessary support and stability for your backhand shots, allowing you to hit with confidence and precision. This grip helps you hit balls on your non-dominant side. Mastering both forehand and backhand grips will give you a well-rounded game, enabling you to handle any shot that comes your way. Footwork is key in tennis. You need to move quickly and get to the ball in time. Start with a ready position. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and weight on the balls of your feet. When you move, take small steps. This helps you change direction quickly. Stay light on your feet and always be ready to move. Section 4. The rules of the game: keeping score and playing fair. Tennis has simple rules, but they are crucial for fair play and competition. Understanding these rules ensures that everyone is on the same page and that the game is played with integrity. You need to serve the ball diagonally. This means that if you are serving from the right side of the court, the ball must land in the left service box on the opponent's side. This rule keeps the game dynamic and challenging. It must land in the service box. The service box is a designated area on the court, and the ball must bounce within this box for the serve to be valid. If the ball lands outside this box, it is considered a fault. Your opponent then returns the ball. The return of serve is a critical moment in the game as it sets the stage for the rally. A strong return can put the server on the defensive. You hit the ball back and forth over the net. This exchange is known as a rally, and it continues until one player makes a mistake. The goal is to outmaneuver your opponent and force them into an error. A point is scored when the ball goes out of bounds or bounces twice. If the ball lands outside the court boundaries or bounces twice before being returned, the point is awarded to the other player. The first player to reach 4 points wins the game. Points are counted as 15, 30, 40 and game. If both players reach 40, it is called deuce, and a player must win by 2 consecutive points. You need to win 6 games to win a set. However, you must win by at least 2 games. If the score reaches 6, a tiebreaker is played to determine the winner of the set. Winning a set brings you one step closer to winning the match. Section 5. Serving up success. A beginner's guide. Serving is how you start a point. Hold the ball in your non-dominant hand. Toss it in the air in front of you. Swing your racket up and over the ball. Aim for the service box diagonally opposite you. Practice your toss. It's important for a consistent serve. Focus on hitting the ball over the net and into the service box. Section 6. Time to play. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey. Tennis is more than just a game. It's a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, every match is an opportunity to learn and grow. Now you know the basics of tennis. Remember, every professional player started as a beginner, just like you. The key is to keep practicing and never give up. Listen to your coach, focus on your form, and gradually, you'll see improvement. Get out there and play. The more you play, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself with new opponents and different playing styles. Each game is a new adventure. Find a court and hit some balls. Practice your serves, volleys, and backhands. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the more natural your movements will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every missed shot is a lesson learned. Analyze what went wrong and work on it. Remember, even the best players miss shots. It's all part of the game. Everyone starts as a beginner. The important thing is to keep pushing forward. Take each piece of advice from your coach seriously and apply it in your practice sessions. Improvement comes with time and effort. Tennis is a challenging sport, but it's also rewarding. The thrill of a well-placed shot, the satisfaction of a hard-fought match, and the joy of improvement make all the effort worthwhile. Join a club or take lessons. Practice regularly to improve. Most importantly, have fun. Tennis is not just about competition, it's about enjoying the game, making friends, and staying active. Tennis is a sport for life. Enjoy the journey. Whether you're playing in a competitive match or just hitting balls with friends and family, cherish every moment on the court. The memories you create will last a lifetime.